We've designed 4 total body 2-minute drills for you, which include multiple planes of movement, level changes, coordination, balance, cardio, and they build on each other each week. So week 1, we're gonna start you out slow and steady. Have a water close by. You're gonna work on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the hardest work you can do. Don't go above a 7. If you find yourself at a 7, bring yourself back down, catch your breath, and re-engage. You can pause me anytime. You can start me at any time. Movements should be pain-free and you should feel confident and safe and make them work for you. Now, keep in mind that when you see these videos, as soon as you press play, we're gonna be moving. So if you wanna do a warm-up before you start them, some stretches, that's up to you. Come in ready, I'll take you through the rest. You can use them as cool downs, as warm-ups, as 2 minutes of activity throughout your day. You can stack them together to make them a bigger workout, but once you own these patterns and you get comfortable with them over this month, that's the goal, you'll have a bunch of patterns and a bunch of workouts to take with you wherever you want.